Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little something fun, kind of makeup-y. This pink eye look that I'm gonna do today, it was actually requested by my cousin. She's been asking me to do something more bold, more pink, more fun. She just decided that I need to have more fun with my eye looks on camera, so I figured why not do a fun pink look using my favorite Natasha Denona Love palette. This is just one of my favorites to pick, especially when I'm wanting a more pink look. So, baby girl, this one's for you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the shade Valentine and put that in my crease. As my transition shade, my eyes are already primed and set. I'm just going to build that color up right now and just keep blending. I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of my blending process. Here it's just a big fluffy brush I am using. Just take that there as my initial color. After that's done, I'm going to take a slightly more tapered brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Intense and I'm going to go ahead and deepen up that crease a little bit. I just want to keep this look nice and light and not too intense, but still very, very stunning. And I love how that color just blends nicely. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Heartbeat here. I'm just going to warm it up a little bit and just going to warm the shade up just a little bit. Put that on the outer V and then just take that all the way in my deeper crease. Just want to leave it not too intense, but still give it enough depth that it looks very dimensional. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and go in with the shade Giving here. And that is just going to go all over the lid and just taking it up nice and high, kind of into my crease, and just blending it like so. Just to give it that just kind of soft pinky red kind of look. And after that, I'm just going to go back in with the shade Heartbeat, and I'm just going to buff that underneath my lower lash line. I will go ahead and do the other eye off camera, finish up the face, and I will be right back. Alright, and that's the look. I definitely had a lot of fun creating it. I love being able to play with pinks, and I love being able to play with my Natasha Denona palettes. So with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.